two sides. The biggest difference obviously is that the open tote does not have the two zipper compartments on the outside. Instead, it has this magnetic snap closure. I also want to point out two things that I'm not a fan of about these bags, and it goes for pretty much all the bags in the Saffiano collection. So first of all, and this is minor, but for a nicer bag, I really like to look at all the details inside and out, and I was disappointed by the choice of lining. It is a nylon material, slightly shiny, and it just has Prada logo print and squigglies throughout. So I just think it makes the bag look a little bit cheap and slightly tacky. Secondly, these bags don't have a more stiffer base or very much structure at the base, so what happens when you add more stuff and you load items into your bag is that the weight might start sinking down in the middle and you end up with bag sag. I feel like this problem is a little bit better with the smaller, more structured double zip tote, but it definitely still happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order